welcome to the Grace Life. So now in this video today we have a special collaboration, and it is a Mother's Day tablescape, and that's hosted by Deborah Cabasa, Home Living. So now the co-host of this collab is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me. Then we have Mary from Mary Precious Jones Huntsville. We have Sassou from Sassou Glam Style. And then we have Dee from the Designer's Loft. Now we are celebrating mothers all over the world, those that are still with us and those that are not. We're also celebrating role models, and so let's jump into the video because I'm really excited about it. And we are also to use pink or purple. We're staying with traditional colors for Mother's Day, so let's jump right onto it, guys. Now, as you can see here, I decided to make a floral arrangement before we head on over to the tablescape. And I did grab some greenery, I grabbed some lavenders, I grabbed a lot of purple colors. So let's put this together, guys. So we are almost done putting this floral arrangement together. And remember, grab the florals or things that make you happy and then adjust them in the vase to your liking. Yeah, and we're almost done here. I like the way this looks, so let's move on over to the next step. Okay, so here I started out with a beige tablecloth, and then I had a gold glitter scarf that I was able to drape over the table, and this was absolutely beautiful. So of course now I grabbed this lavender scarf, and I thought it would look nice on the very end. So that's what I'm doing here right now. So here I have a sunburst mirror that I DIY'd a long time ago, and I love to use it for display. So we're going to place that right in the center there, and our vase right on top of that. I think it's going to look beautiful. Now I'm loving these candle holders. I literally thrifted them. They are gorgeous. So we're going to put one on each end along with a candle, and then we'll continue from there. So I'm going to leave you the music while I set the table, and then we'll come back and take a look. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the host, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, along with the co-hosts, Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, Sassou Glam Style, and Designers Law, for hosting this collab. I absolutely love this cozy dining. I'm loving the lavender and I'm loving the pink. It is looking gorgeous. Now, I also want to take a moment to wish all of the mothers, the role models, those that are here, those that are not here. I just want to wish you all a happy, blessed, and favored Mother's Day. I hope that your day is, that you're spoiled from morning till night, and that you get all of your heart's desires. You know, somehow I managed to squeeze some succulents in there, and they look so gorgeous. Okay, so we're lighting the candles. Everything's looking warm and cozy and just wonderful. We are heading over to the reveal, guys. So let's take a look at everything as a whole, and then we'll stop and look at the table setting. Okay, so let's take a look at the table. First, I'm going to show you that the Dollar Tree has this set already in the napkin sleeve. Now, they usually have it in silver, but I switched out the utensils for gold. Then we're going to move on over to this thrifted white napkin. And the purple is one of the half quarters that you can get in the crafters section, so I picked up the lavender. The napkin rings are also Dollar Tree items, and of course that little floral that I stuck in there. Now these marble bowls, the Dollar Tree still carries, so I grabbed the set. This pink plate right here, the salad plate, this is a thrifted item, so like I said, that was a great buy. And then this is the plate that goes with that marble bowl. Aren't they gorgeous? If you can get this set at the Dollar Tree, this is definitely a budget-friendly tablescape. I think those plates are just a great buy. And then these chargers, the Dollar Tree sells, they're silver, and then I went ahead and DIY'd those. So those came out beautiful. So I think this overall, not only is it budget-friendly, gorgeous, but mom's really gonna like it. So now the coasters are the mirrored ones that I purchased from the Dollar Tree along with the wine glass. And then the water glasses were thrifted items. So overall, we did really great. Looks beautiful. You would never be able to tell that these are Dollar Tree items. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that your mom has a blessed day. And if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.